Hello and welcome to Volkswagen Wrexham. My name's Joe and thank you for choosing to watch this video on the T-Roc that we've got in stock ready for immediate collection. This car is the 1.5 engine, manual, in the Atlantic blue with the white roof. The alloys are silver with the blue, really setting that car apart and giving it a really unique look. The car has also been well looked after, so there are no noticeable marks or damage around the car. For more in-depth details on the car, you can also request a personal video, which we'd be happy to do for you as well. You've got your inflator kit in the back with two parts to the boot. Into the rear seats. We've got an armrest and a cup holder in the back and plenty of seats for your passengers. The exact mileage on the car is 6,508. We've also got your climate control with two zones for your passenger side and your driver's side. Manual gearbox with an electric handbrake. Armrest in the centre with some more storage. The car has also got navigation and a reversing camera. And some of the nice features on the T-Roc is your adaptive cruise control and your lane assist. For more information about the car, feel free to contact us and we look forward to speaking to you soon.